Hi guys, from Lady Gardening Projects and more. I'm coming to you to let you know that I did not finish the elevated garden bed. I did come out here in an attempt to go ahead and get it done, so that could be something checked off. But instead, I end up going to the store to do some. Really, I went to pick up some keyboard cleaner, but I end up doing other stuff. So you will see in the video the things that I end up picking up. For the sake of others' privacy, I did turn the video camera straight up and down because I didn't want anyone to feel like I was recording them. And yes, so let me know what you think. Um, so again, I didn't come in here for this, but I'm here now, so hey, I might as well get it. Yeah, so I end up picking up some stuff for to do some jams. I'm gonna start out with trying to jam and tomato sauce. So we're gonna see how that goes. Now this I was gonna do it today. Never know, because I have a lot of things to do. But I do not want to have to come to the store for these products. I mean, it will be soon, of course, because I wouldn't want anything to go to waste or go bad. So it'll be one day this week. And this cheese, guys, stuff is so high at the grocery store. I wish I mean, as scared as I am of animals, critters, and I see why people got cows and they can make their own milk and stuff. This is crazy. And then you go to the store, people be all on your tail. So, and remember, I didn't even come to the store for this at all. Like, not at all. But I gotta figure something out. Oh, I see it. So we got 100% apple juice, concentrated. So I'm gonna get 2 of those. No, I'm gonna get 3, just to make sure. And then I'm gonna get I want the grape juice, but shoot, grape juice high, man. So I'm gonna get shoot, this is the what you call it, the value brand. This is $6 for some juice. Shoot, I might need to go back and get the fruit. So, oh, I don't know if they sell pineapple. I mean, they do sell pineapple juice. I gotta find pineapple juice, but they pick up pineapples. So, oh, right here. So I'm gonna get, oh man, I'm gonna get one of these for the price. Because I'm not gonna make a whole lot of the pineapple, of the teeter totter. It don't look like it, but I am. And what else? I'm gonna go ahead and get me some lemon juice. And why not go ahead on and get some lime juice? Huh. I have a little bit at home. I'm sorry.
Okay. Thank you.
So that's it for that. I wasn't supposed to be getting that, but I did. So on to what I come to get. So with this headache that's about to kill me, and I'm tired of going to the grocery store, of course. I'm gonna start doing something, guys, and it'll be this week. I got a lot of organization to do, rearranging a whole lot of stuff. A lot of this is kind of like my spring cleaning before school start back. So yeah, and if this headache can go away, I can get it done quicker. But oh my gosh, this headache and this sinus or allergies or whatever this is that's kicking my tail, it's just not letting loose. It's like it got a hold on me. So now that you've seen the video of the products I picked up for the canning, um, just to let you know, I just have to get that one thing, which is the lid magnet, and I'm gonna research to see if there's anything else I can use if I don't have a lid magnet in order to get the lids, because I don't want that to be the reason why I'm not doing it. But for future references, um, I will be still doing my projects, so I don't want anyone to think, oh, she was building, what happened? I'm still building, but due to the fact of whatever is going on with these headaches and this weather, I'm trying to play it safe. So sometime I just can't come out here because of that. I have to be safe. And then the things that I can do, I will do, and the things that I can't do outside, I will do on the inside. So that's where my canning coming in at. And again, I mean, it's other things, other projects outside of the outside garden projects that I'm doing. So I hope you enjoy all of those little journeys that I'm doing, you know, the outside, the inside, the canning. Of course, I learn new things as well. I enjoy learning new things. And just because I can't get out here and do what I really want to do for my outside projects, I still have many projects on the inside that I'm trying to tackle as well. So again, I hope you enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Leave a comment, any suggestions of something that you think can help me with my canning process, water bath process, as well as yeah, so just stay tuned and it's more to come.